This is an era of electronics, improving lives everywhere. From communication to aviation, from traffic control to medical device, all electronic products are inseparable from the PCB. Edadoc focuses on providing high-quality one-stop PCB solutions. In 2003, Edadoc was founded in Shenzhen. After 15 years of development, Edadoc has built a one-stop hardware innovation platform. From PCB design to production, from part sourcing to EMS, Edadoc provides convenient one-stop PCB solutions for more than 6,000 customers all over the world. We have 19 R&D branches in China and abroad, with more than 600 PCB design engineers. We finish over 10,000 PCB designs per year. We care about details and provide perfect design. Our strict quality assurance ensure that you receive the highest quality and success in the first version. Our industry-leading SI simulation team for signal and power simulation to ensure the reliability of design. We have developed some software and automated inspection tools to greatly increase design efficiency and quality assurance. DFM engineers ensure that the layout meets your requirements and product manufacturability. Our excellent talent training system, skills training, and case sharing make our team exceptional. We guarantee all of our projects are high quality. Our PCB factory is located in Shenzhen, China. We are committed to being a world-class PCB manufacturer, providing high quality, quick delivery, producing small and medium volume PCBs. Our PCB factory was upgraded in 2016 with state-of-the-art equipment in terms of core equipment, quality system, and personnel management. We are considered one of the top PCB fab companies. With high-end equipment, sophisticated technology, we use our innovative skills to produce a quality PCB. Edadoc also provides full BOM part sourcing directly from the manufacturer and authorized distributor, guaranteeing the quality of the parts. Edadoc has 1,600 square meters of warehouse, maintaining constant temperature and constant humidity. ESD-controlled central warehouse. Valuable parts are solely managed in our warehouse. More than 10,000 kinds of resistors, capacitors, inductors, beads and connectors, crystal oscillators, and transistors in stock. No need to purchase extras in a reel. Edadoc's warehouse is your warehouse. Edadoc has 3 PCBA factories located in Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Chengdu. As the first quick-turn PCBA factory in China with 20 SMT production lines, 95% of domestic deliveries are made within 48 hours. Automatic board loading machine, automatic solder paste printer, Fuji NXT3 mounter, Fuji XPF and AIMEX3 mounter, 10 temperature lead-free reflow oven, lead-free wave soldering. Edadoc is your one-stop shop for SMT, DIP, assembly, testing, and box building, air shower, clean room, strict ESD control, SPI, AOI, FAI, X-ray, and other high-end equipment. Quality workers strictly observe every procedure, guaranteeing the quality of PCBA, because quality is our main objective. Edadoc strives to move ahead. Currently, 19 branches have been established in China, the United States, and Japan. We obtained TÜV Rheinland ISO certification, IATF 16949 certification, UL certification, CPCA members, IPC members, and won the Intel Best Strategic Partner qualifications and honors in 2017. We developed a convenient, one-stop hardware innovation platform high-quality turnkey PCBA service. We won the praise of our 6,000-plus customers. More than 60 of the top 500 companies select Edadoc as their partner. Edadoc, your best partner.